everybody, RageBreaker24 here, and I am playing a favorite game of mine, Dead Trigger 2. And I will be playing from the first level, so you can get all the action story, even though like the story is killing zombies.
All right, let's roll.
Get to the burning car.
Water. Some water. Bring me some water. Okay.
I'm just gonna get water for some guy you don't even know. That's weird. Plus, how did he get infected if there are literally no zombies there?
I have a bad feeling about this.
He wasn't infected. He was still a guy. They forgot to change what he looked like. I found that out. There was like a wall there. Alright, going through the passage. I'm also sorry if I'm silent, because I just have nothing to talk about, except that this game is an awesome game. Alright, first level done. A knife? Oh, my gunsmith. Oh, he doesn't have anything. Baloney. That sucks. Wait, they're different
Time to get our hands dirty.
eyed zombies? There's green eyes and red eyes. I read there.
What the hell is this?
What the hell is this? Alright, so it's saying that if I increase the difficulty,
Glad to see you here.
then
Great.
their eyes will be red or something?
I've been stuck here for ages.
All right, let's roll.
I wanna use my wrench, but there's
Follow me.
no
I know a
zombies
shortcut.
to whack.
Okay.
Shit! Watch out!
Don't worry. Me and my wrench got this. Blam.
Damn! It's closed! Hold on!
Alright,
No problem.
I'm holding on.
You're ready for some trouble.
Alrighty then. I'm ready for it.
Come on.
Come on, die. Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go. She said that in the most calm voice.
I wouldn't make it this far without you.
Oh, that was close.
Mission complete. Congratulations. Alright. It's going good. It's going good. It's going real good. Oh, god damn it. Keep on leveling up just because I'm doing the first levels. Alright. Don't try to argue with the undead. They just won't listen. Ha ha, how funny.
Alright, let's go.
That's the same exact thing you said.
Shit! Watch out!
It's the same thing you said too. Why can't I go under here?
Okay, let's take it to the right. Are you okay? Meet me in the room.
Alright. We'll meet up at the oak. Bam! This mission is actually long, a little bit longer than all the other ones. I actually want to do the next mission in hard mode. I want to see what it's like. See if it's any different. Blam. Open up. I already know that there's gonna be a zombie. I'm gonna kick the door open. And then he's sitting on the key, and then he's gonna fall over. Put up. And it was apparently stuck on his butthole. Then just floated up into my hands, which is extremely weird. Get whacked. Hey, I'm going.
Hurry, get in the car!
There she is. Get to the car. Mission complete. I want to learn how to make a knife. Alright. Somebody keeps on texting me. This is so annoying. Alright. Use your explosive arrows to your advantage. Okay.
What do we have here? Enter
What
the
do we
world
have
of pain.
here? Shit. This is where I got my SMG. Chase Hank and get that toolbox. And just do good for the world. Close that up. Ah, they're not harder. I put it on hard.
Lock and load.
They still have green eyes. Yep, hi.
Coming in.
Yep, they died. He did not kill them. Yep, I did that. But yeah. Oh god. You just appeared there. Yeah. No. Oh god, what? I'm losing. I'm dying. Oh wait, these guys have red eyes. Yay.
Coming in.
These are green eyes. The red ones with red eyes are faster. You good there, buddy? I should go check on him. Hank. Yep, you ain't good.
And stay down.
Yep.
That was gross.
God. That's the logo from another game. Wow. It's the logo from a game I played that has the same owners of this, of this game. And just maybe, I might do a let's play. Oh wait, I already got the pick. That was gonna pop up again. Die.
Ah, there you are.
Why are you still waving? Why are you still waving? I'm right here. Girl, are you blind? Are you blind? A butterfly? What? I want it. I'm about to level up. Not surprised. Alright. I'm gonna do this one on normal. Special zombies are vulnerable to explosives. Alright, all zombies vulnerable to explosives. Oh well.
Alright,
Let's
let's
go.
roll.
Find the engineer. Look around for Bolt's gun shop. Get into Bolt's gun shop. Oh, hi there. This game would make a great Black Ops for mobile. I just walked through all of them. Just oh, I'm out of ammo. No sign of him. Find a way to open the backyard gate. It's okay. You've opened the stock room. Open the backyard gate. Well, that was quite simple. There we go. It's much better. Alright. Find the engineer in the backyard. Where did he go? There he is.
Bobby, damn. You're the rescue team?
Come on.
No problem. Let's make a run for it.
Alright. I'll just gladly shoot all the zombies I see. Or whack them.
Cover me.
Dude, you just got whack-a-smacked. Wait up! You're gonna die.
Feel free to stock up on ammo.
Oh. Oh, it's for both guns.
Let's move.
Might come in handy.
Whoa, dude! Alright. Okay, so we're almost done with the mission, I guess? Oh wait, we are done with the mission. Are we?
All right, we've made it. Thanks.
Yeah, I think we... Yep, mission complete. That's great. Okay. So, thank you everybody so much for watching. This has been RageBreaker24 playing Dead Trigger. Of course I leveled up. Dead Trigger 2. So, Dead Trigger 2, yes. So, don't ask again. So, thank you guys all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.